If you're wondering what is the maximum zoom in Motorola Signature, first of all, let's open the camera app on our device. We can then adjust the zoom right here and we can put it up to 100 times. So that is your maximum zoom. But let me show you the few exemplary photos that I've taken to help you understand that zoom. So if we take a look on the first photo, this is the photo with one-time zooms, just a standard camera. And if we zoom in manually on the photo, let's focus. I'm not sure if you can see it, but there's a person right there. So this is the normal one-time zoom photo, and I've made a zoom photo as well with 100 times zoom of the phone itself. And then using AI features, because the camera uses them, it adjusted the photo, and that's how it looks like. So there's a big problem when taking a zoomed in photo that much of a person, because it looks weird. But in the other example right here, you have a zoomed in photo of a pole that I've made. So this is 100 times zoom photo, which looks really nice. And this is one time photo. So I've made exactly a zoomed in photo of this plate on the pole from the same angle, from the same distance, but using the camera zoom only. So that's how it looks like. And if the camera would kindly allow me to, yeah. So yeah, that is basically everything. Thanks so much for watching. And if you like this video, please consider subscribing.